Brian Bowersock here with the West Automotive Group. Today we're talking about a couple important safety items on your vehicle, lights and wipers. We're heading into that time of year where it stays dark longer in the morning and gets dark earlier in the evening. And we want to make sure when you're out there on the road with you, your kids, your family, etc., and everybody else, people can see you and you can see them, which is extremely important. One of the big issues we're seeing today with plastic headlight lenses is these look pretty good, as you can see, but we're actually seeing them where they start to fog up. They reduce the light and they reduce your visibility. It's hard to see. We can actually clean these now and actually polish them back to this condition where you can see really well. So if you're starting to get headlight lenses that are starting to yellow up or fog up or fade up, it's time to get them taken care of. That way you can see real easy and everybody else can see you well. Replace all the other marker bulbs. If you got a tail light bulb out, a turn signal bulb, a headlight bulb itself out, let's get those replaced. Pretty simple, easy repairs. Some of them do require a little bit more technical ability, but other than that, let's get them replaced so you can see and other people can see you. It keeps you and your family safe, as we were discussing. And the last thing that we want to talk about is wiper blades. Extremely important. If you can't see out the windshield, you don't know where you're going. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Join the Automan next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFNB.